Unboxing the phrase, drop a new album. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very popular phrase in the music world, drop a new album. This phrase is commonly used in entertainment news and by music enthusiasts. So, if you're ready to learn about this catchy expression, let's get started. Drop a new album might sound a bit strange if you take it literally. But in the world of music, drop means to release or launch something new. When an artist drops a new album, they are releasing their new music album to the public. It's a way of saying that new music is now available for everyone to listen to. The term, drop, in this context has a cool, casual feel to it. It originated in American urban culture and has since become mainstream, especially in the context of hip-hop and pop music. Nowadays, you'll hear this phrase used globally, signifying a much-anticipated event in the music industry. To help you understand better, let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. I heard that my favorite band is going to drop a new album next month. 2. The internet went crazy when the artist dropped her new album unexpectedly at midnight. 3. Are you excited about the new songs? They just dropped their latest album today. There are other similar expressions in the music world. For example, release a single when an artist puts out a new song. Launch a tour when an artist starts a series of concerts in different locations. Understanding these phrases can really enhance your grasp of contemporary English, especially when talking about entertainment. And that's a wrap on Drop a New Album. We hope this video has shed light on this trendy phrase and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about culture and context. Stay tuned for more interesting phrases, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning!